Hi all, welcome to AI Adoc YouTube channel. And for today's session, there is interesting, exciting news we have. So Meta AI finally released their uh, expected AI app. And if you see this article they have released, it's mentioned that how you can use their app and uh, with few clips, short clip and detailed version you will get how to use. Mostly I observed that mainly they highlighted glasses section here or voice section here, so you can use that Meta AI voice features. Then with you can control your voice. Then for personalize, then there is a history section you have. It's for other apps. I see that they for history it's kind of like written notes one by one in one or other another. So for this it seems more kind of like news, like links we can see here, so it gives news section feel. For discover section which is similar to perplexity, so they it also have the here, so you can discover other related topic from that. Then devices history, so you can connect your different devices, connect your different social media platforms. AI glasses to desktop, so they since AR glasses which is they have built with help with support from Ray-Ban. uh, it is their like blockbuster product as of now, and even though it seems they are late for the party, they have come up with very strong foundation, because they already have Meta AI in Instagram, they already have Meta AI in Facebook. They also roll out Instagram, sorry, Meta AI in WhatsApp for different parts of the world, recently in Europe, but it was not very well received. Still a user don't have option but to keep as it is, because they mention that it is optional and not mandatory, you can ignore it. But as I have said, that someday or another day you or your like kids will start to click on that, and that Meta AI have your uh, like a chat history access for. And meantime this Meta AI will get trained on your like social media platform, and most of the like instead of TV or newspaper, currently this social media are like major platform where you can analyze people sentiments. So they have all the uh, like prerequisite to uh, like um, come up with this Meta AI. It is come up with Lemma 4, and if you see on like which like where this Lemma 4 is look like leaderboard for different AI, it is not in first 9, it is not in first 10. That their lemma is currently at a position of 38. So they are not like it seems they are not it in the rat race for which AI is working, of our AI model is working great or not. They are like, since they have this open source, they are uh, step by step trying to match it, but they have these different resources similar to Grok. They have like, for Grok they have a Twitter user data, which is currently at number one for different social media. But for this Meta AI, they have backed with this Instagram, so Facebook and WhatsApp, which is quite large if you compared overall. And uh, it it seems that over the time it will win the race. So before so that's it for this article. Let's directly go to actual website. You can see here they have this say, like quite standard template of AI user interface. You can see there is a home section, then a discover. You can see uh, different users post here. It's similar to, I think it's more kind of creating new social media platform at all. And you can like those particular posts. Then you can directly communicate with those posts as well in Discord section, which is very good. Then there is notification home, then you can start conversation. Then this is a section. So this particular account, so for to connect this particular account, you can connect through your Instagram account or your Facebook account. And if you have separate email ID, you can use that as well. And there is a canvas section available, which is in beta. Then this is for creation of different images. So let's try to create one of the image. Let's check this one. It's simple. I just want to check if how much different option they provide. Okay, so you can stylize your output here for like different filters or different style. Output is not imagine race for, I thought there will be actual race we can see here for, but here it's more kind of like conference room or different devices we see here. You can convert those output into different style. Yeah, actually this doodle is good. This I have expected. So you need to check like first option and apply changes is totally different, we can see here. So let's try to check another option. I mean, you can always directly go to previous version, which is very much handy. So let's try to go for other uh, thread. So yeah, they also have similar kind of Twitter uh, platform, which is thread. It was hyped but not successful, but users are using some many users are using. So uh, in long run let's see how it goes. So for canvas, I think for Canva it's more kind of like design. It, uh, so it seems more kind of like deep research. So they are showing in detail space planetary system website UI design. You can use. I have created document for you. This is the similar one they have mentioned. So it's uh, generated code for that UI interface as well. So you can check version 2 here. It's very user friendly. You can navigate quickly, and you can see different previous history. Same time, it's more, instead of checking different tabs, usually what I have seen for different AI apps, it's more user friendly. So it's small hands-on demo I try to create. Let's try to. You can attach file as well, and yes, it seems they have a good output is very well satisfying. Expect image creation, but later I got uh, actually what I wanted image for that. So yes, yeah, you can pin those, then you can rename. What I like this discover option, where you can actually interact with other users. So it seems they, in long term, it seems they are trying to create social media, different social media for AI users as well, which is very good visionary thought. So you can see when that particular user joined, then you can uh, check. So I think only we can only see that shared uh, image only, and I'm trying to check plans. AI demos, AI studio. Okay, it is connected to AI studios as well, which they already have. Then AI demos. Then you can change theme, notification, data, privacy, legal difference. So they did not mention about upgrade or plan section subscription part. Uh, so it's free as of now for all, but over the time, as different AI products show, there must be some kind of like uh, a subscription structure will be available. But as of now, this Llama is free, open source. uh, I think they will go with this app. So that's it today for AI ad hoc, and let's meet next time with another interesting AI topic. Thank you.